The ViewSonic PA504W is a projector that really focuses on delivering a balance between brightness, functionality, and versatility. From setup to use, it's clear this is a device built for practical performance. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, making it easy to move between rooms, offices, or classrooms without any hassle. The minimalist design doesn't draw attention, but it's sturdy and fits well in almost any environment. One of the standout features is its 4,000 lumens brightness. That's bright enough to handle rooms with moderate lighting without washing out the picture. Whether it's a well-lit living room, a small office, or a classroom with large windows, the visuals remain clear and vibrant. The WXGA resolution of 1280 by 800 ensures that images, slides, and videos are sharp and readable. While it's not 4K, it provides more than enough clarity for daily use, presentations, and casual movie nights. Vertical keystone correction is a feature that makes setup easy. Even if the projector isn't positioned perfectly in front of the screen, you can adjust the image so it remains rectangular and proportional. This is particularly useful for spaces where you might not have the ideal placement or for situations where the projector moves frequently. It saves time and frustration compared to models without this correction. Connectivity options are flexible and convenient. The projector includes HDMI 1.4, USB 2.0 Type A, and VGA inputs. HDMI works with modern laptops, streaming devices, and gaming consoles, while the USB port can be used for direct media playback or updates. The VGA input ensures older devices remain compatible, which is helpful in office or educational environments. This range of options means you're unlikely to run into connection problems. Color performance is handled through ViewSonic's SuperColor technology. It delivers vibrant and balanced colors across a wide range of content. While it won't rival premium home theater projectors, it offers a noticeable improvement over budget alternatives. Skin tones appear natural, and images maintain clarity and depth without looking oversaturated or dull. Audio is available via the built-in speaker, which is adequate for smaller spaces. For larger rooms or a more immersive viewing experience, connecting external speakers is recommended. The built-in audio is functional, but it's more of a convenience feature than a replacement for a proper sound system. The projector is portable, which is a major plus. Its lightweight and compact footprint make it ideal for moving between spaces or using in temporary setups. This is especially useful in classrooms, offices, or multi-purpose rooms where a permanent installation isn't possible. Maintenance is straightforward. The lamp is rated for thousands of hours, keeping replacement costs low, and the fan operates quietly, which won't distract during presentations or movie watching. This makes it a reliable choice for daily use without needing constant attention. Performance-wise, the PA504W handles a variety of tasks well. Whether it's business presentations, classroom lectures, home movies, or casual gaming, it delivers consistent results. It's not a high-end home theater projector, but it's dependable and practical for its price range. Overall, the ViewSonic PA504W is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a bright, versatile, and reliable projector. Its combination of 4,000 lumens brightness, WXGA resolution, vertical keystone correction, and multiple connectivity options make it suitable for both professional and personal use. It's portable, easy to set up, and offers good value for money. For those who need a projector that works out of the box and delivers consistent image quality, this model stands out. It's perfect for classrooms, office presentations, or home entertainment. The PA504W may not have premium bells and whistles, but it covers all the essentials with ease and reliability. If you're ready to get one for yourself, check the link in the description. It provides full specs, pricing, and availability, making it easy to purchase a projector that's practical, versatile, and dependable.